They want us to remember 9/11, but forget Black history. How ironic is that? They taking it out the textbooks. They don't want you to know what your ancestors went through. They want to act like it never existed. Like what's going on right now isn't existing. Like this whole system isn't built upon racism. This whole system isn't built upon white supremacy. And you can see it every day. You can see it in the interactions, but they want us to forget, family. They don't want their kids to know what happened. They don't want no one to know how evil they really was, how bad they really treated us, how they're still capitalizing on us today from what they did to us then. And it's just ironic when they figured out their scheme, when they stopped allowing us to learn, family, and they made it illegal for us to learn. It was illegal at one time. We couldn't learn. We had to forget our names, our culture. Why do you think that was so important? Because they know who you was. And if a people know who they are, they're not going to allow someone to put them in bondage like that. They're not going to allow them to keep their foot on them for so long. Eventually, they're going to break free. Or they're going to fight back off initiation. They're just going to fight back, just like the slaves did that took over the ship and walked right back into the sea. Said, we'll rather die together than live as slaves. Why do you think it's so important, family? Think about what just happened, even in Arkansas, where you can't even get a credit for your African-American studies. They don't want you to know no more. Oh, you can do it on your leisure time. They can't take it all the way out, but they ain't honoring it at all. Why? Why? But we got to remember everything that happened to other cultures but ours. Family, Black history is very important. And we have to remember it, and we have to pass it down to our kids, and we have to keep the struggle alive, and we have to stay conscious. It's not about hate, family. It's about acknowledgement. It's about knowledge. It's power. And the more we know, the more we grow. And the more we grow together, the stronger we are, family. Hold on.